What do I know about this vector? This vector is perpendicular to both of these. Perpendicular to the plane that contains both of those. It's always perpendicular to that plane. And the direction comes from the right-hand rule. So, let me ask you, what is I hat cross j hat? Think about it.
Oh, is it k hat?
It is. Why? Think about, where am I going to write this? Let's go. Remember I told you to go to x. I'll label this differently. I hat, j hat, k hat.
Because k hat's the normal of I and j.
Yes, but it's positive or negative k hat?
Positive.
I, j, k. So that is k hat. What's j hat cross k hat?
I hat.
Y, j, k, it's I hat. Okay, what's j hat cross I hat?
Also k hat.
J hat cross I hat goes the other direction.
Oh.
So that's negative k hat. What we have is like a loop.
Can you explain how when you flip it, it's negative?
J hat goes this way, I hat goes that way, this is k hat, which is down. So this is j hat cross I hat,
Okay.
which is the opposite direction of k hat.
Okay.
So if you are cross multiplying, if you are cross producting, you go this direction. If you've actually got, so I cross j is k cross I is j, but if you go the other way, j cross I is negative k, you're going backwards around the circle. K cross j is negative I, you're going backwards around.
Is it negative for any other ones if you go backwards? Or just
Yeah. So I cross k is negative j, but k cross I is positive j.
okay.
That is another way for you to work out that formula for the Cartesian cross product. You can put in all your i's, j's and k's and do the expansion to 9 terms, then use this to work out what's positive and what's negative, and you'll get the same formula. I'm not going to do that. You can do that if you want to. Or you can look at the textbook doing it on page... Oh, they don't actually do it, they just talk about it. Let's try another one. Calculate for me this cross product. A is negative 2i hat plus j hat plus 3k hat, and B is 3i hat plus 2j hat minus 4k hat. Work out the cross product for me. If you would rather write this as this in brackets I hat, this in brackets j, you can do that. You don't have to always, you don't have to write as a column vector, you can just do it straight to this if you want to. Something minus something I hat plus something minus something j hat plus something minus something k hat. And then simplify. I'll try and do it the way the syllabus does. A2B3. A3B2. B1. A1, B3. Did you just use the formula, Rain, or did you try matrix determinant?
No, I'm just doing
Use the
the
formula. This is why it works, but it's a big mess.
Yeah.
The last one is A1, B2, A2, B1. Negative 10 I hat plus J hat minus 7 K hat. Did I get it right?
Shouldn't the 4 be positive?
I've done something wrong. Did I copy it right?
I would have positive 4 on the first thing.
Here?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
So I got negative 2 I hat.
2, 3, negative 4. Is that a plus or a minus? It is a plus. It is a plus. So A2, B3 is negative 4. A3, B2 is 6. I clearly can't do anything right though. Negative 2, J. Oh, I'm not going to match the textbook because I copied it wrong from the textbook. So I can't use the textbook to check. Do you agree this is a negative 4, Rain?
Yeah, okay. I thought that was a minus.
Oh yeah, no, it's my... Turns out this one should have been minus. Doesn't matter. It just means we won't match the textbook. Does everyone agree on this? Am I right with this?
Yes.
Yes? Julie hasn't got there yet?
I have, but I also did the same.
You also got something wrong. Very easy to do. Now, what if I tell you I actually want to have a vector orthogonal to both, perpendicular to both, normal to both, get used to all those words, that has length 5. How do I get a vector normal to both of these that has length 5? Let them think a moment.
Can you get the unit vector of that and just times it by 5?
Correct. So then we're going to go, let's go C equals that. And I want to get the length of C is
100 plus 1 plus 14. 115. 150?
squared, not times 2.
Oh, whoops.
Simplify. Shh. See if Ben or Julia can give me the simplified C. Help them, Ben or Ryan.
6.
Good. 6 lots of 25. Okay, so the vector I want, a vector perpendicular to A and B of length 5 is 5 times 1 over 5 root 6 times and they'll cancel out.
And the 1.
Sorry?
And the 1.
It's 1 over root 6 or root 6 on 6.
Wouldn't it just be root 6?
No, I've got to divide by the length.
Yeah, but you got 5 over root 6, which is just root 6.
Yeah, no,
It's not. Just forget that.
no, it's not. No, it definitely isn't.